Welcome back to my channel, Memes, and I'm here with a review on this wig. It's a Sensational Butta lace wig. Oh, do not mind what happened to my hand. I hurt myself. So it claims to have undetectable HD lace. This is how nice and beautiful the wig is looking. I went ahead and got the Money Piece Caramel because I just wanted that soft buttery look, and so far I'm really liking the texture of this hair, but I will get into the specs later. This is the lace, and this is how it's looking on the inside. So it's kind of like a T-part vibe going on. So I went on ahead and just popped this unit on just to show you guys how it's laying, how the lace and hairline is looking. Honey. Alright, so I did decide I'm going to go in and pluck just a little bit just to form a natural looking hairline. So I am doing the Arrogante method, of course, for this fake unit as well. Why do I keep saying fake? Synthetic unit as well. And I honestly don't have any wig dummies because I didn't come to Cali with any, so I'm just plucking on my knee. If you guys wanted to see this part, let me know, but I'm not doing nothing special, just blotting my foundation to the lace, and this is how it's looking with my foundation. And then I'm going to go in with this amazing banana powder by Wet n Wild. Y'all need to honestly get it as well because it's just bomb. Bomb for wigs, bomb for face, just bomb. Now that I got the wig somewhat tacked down, child, because half the time I don't be knowing what I be doing, okay? So we just going to wrap it, and I'm using my do-rag because, again, I have to go and find me a beauty supply that's going to have all my stuff. So I'm just combing the wig out now, nothing much. It's not really giving me an issue. The tangles are easily coming out, and it's honestly barely any tangles. So right now I'm just cutting the lace, and I'm cutting pretty close, but I'm not cutting as close as I usually do because I struggled pulling this wig down on my head, so I had to leave a little bit of lace. Alright, so some parts were still not laid, so I did end up spraying it once more and then tying it down. As you can see, it's laying much better, and I just didn't know what I did before. So I'm pulling out the baby hairs now, and I'm cutting them short. They're pretty long, and I'm just taking random pieces. I just always like to, do my baby hairs from scratch, and sometimes I'll go with the baby hairs the company gave me, or I'll just form my own, and I'm just swooping into the hairline. I really can care less about baby hair perfection. I just like to swoop them, make them look really natural, nothing too crazy. I'm just going in with my edge control stick because, child, these flyaways is just getting on my last entire nerve, okay? This wig has short pieces, long pieces, and of just flyaways. Last but not least, here I'm just adding some foundation or concealer to my part just to blend it a little bit more. This lace was a smidge darker than my complexion, which is fine, so I had to just lighten it the best I could. So yeah. Oh my God. Kiara did it, every YouTuber did it. I wasn't even studying these hand movements, but baby, when I tell you this hair is silky soft, stiff wear, ooh, not my hair. This is the Sensational Wet Lace slash Butta Lace, Unit 6. Yeah, Unit 6. So listen, this is giving me virgin hair duplicate. Okay, just saying, it's absolutely bomb. Like I literally am so, I'm just vibing so much right now with this wig. I will literally go out here and purchase 6 more. Like that's how much I really like this hair. Like I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. So I'm just gonna share with y'all my review on this wig, what I like, what I didn't like about it. They claim this is a virtually undetectable HD lace. Now, I'm not gonna lie, out of a lot of wigs that I've worn, synthetic or real, I did not struggle to make this lace look like scalp. It just melted so beautifully. I literally just went in, as you guys see me do, with my foundation and some translucent or banana powder. And I actually left a little bit of lace because I'm gonna tell y'all why in a minute, but I had to leave a little bit of lace because I just couldn't get the wig to come like down on my head. I got the Money Piece Caramel. I don't know, I was gonna get the Money Piece Blonde, but I'm like, no, let me try the caramel because I don't know, I wanted that like chestnut vibe, and I really like that they put the money pieces in the front. This hair has some layers, but they are like more choppy layers, so I wouldn't say that they like flow as much as I would like, but it still is giving me very much sleek. You know, the part is not extremely, I mean, the part is kind of wide, but it's given, I like it. I personally don't like my parts to be too thin because it just looks wiggy to me. It looks fake, and quite frankly, it's just more work you have to do to pluck the part and make it look realistic. I actually did not have a wig head, or I didn't even have my wig caps, so I just put it on my head, which works. My only issue with this wig was the fact that it came ear to ear. That wasn't my problem. It's just that if you have like a lower hairline, you're gonna struggle with getting to like having to pull this wig down. I was literally like, okay, now wait a minute. Now luckily I have a larger forehead, so I really didn't have to pull as much, but I kind of don't like to have to work really hard to get my wig to lay. And it could have made the lace a little bit longer. What I mean by they could have made, let me show y'all. They could have made the lace, like the excess lace, a little bit longer so that I could get a grip. So if you're gonna create these wigs, you know, sensational, where you have to kind of like pull it down a little bit more, I would recommend giving me some more excess lace so that I can just have a lot more to work with. Other than that, that was my only issue. I would say that this wig is a silky texture. I personally, with this color, it may be just this color, I don't feel any yak. I don't feel any yacky. I don't even feel like a light yak. I feel just straight silk. Maybe a smidge of yak. No, I feel straight silk. So it could be just this color. Let's see what else it claims. Blend with most skin tones, ear to ear lace, pre-plucked with baby hair. I did go in and do a little more plucking because I don't know. Every time a company says pre-plucked, I really just kind of don't believe them unless you pre-pluck, unless you pluck it exactly how I would like to wear my wigs. Natural density, I would say I love the density. It's not thin, it's not too thick. Because they made the layers a little bit choppy, I really would have been disappointed if it was too thick, because it would have just looked like, okay, you're just wearing a straight fake synthetic wig. But no, this gives me natural feels, natural density, very nice. they snapped with this unit. They snapped with this unit. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back so that you guys can see how it looks in the back. All right, there we go. Okay, there we go. So this is the back. Baby, you gonna take me on a date? Take me on a date in this wig, please, because what? You can't tell me nothing in this wig. This unit is giving me all of the life. Every inch, honey, every inch. That was my review on this unit. I'm so glad you guys decided to click on this video and watch me review this unit. I just can't stop running my fingers through it. This is ridiculous, right? You like it too, baby? Again, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to hit that bell.